Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will give lecture on the NEC accreditation. What is the eligibility criteria for the assessment and accreditation of the higher education for the NEC? Higher education institution, if they have a record of at least 2 batches of the students graduated or been in existence for the 6 year, whichever is earlier, are eligible to apply for the process of the assessment and accreditation of the NEC and fulfill the other conditions or are covered by the other provisions, if any, mentioned below. For the case of the university, central or private or the state or deemed to be an institution of the national importance, provided the institution deemed to be the university and their off campuses, if any, are approved by the MHRD, UGC, NEC will not consider the unapproved off campuses and assessment and accreditation. Provided that these institutions have regular students enrolled into the full-time teaching and research program offered on the campus. Provided further that the duly established campuses within the country, if any, shall be treated as part of the university institution national importance of the accreditation process. NAC will not be undertake the accreditation of the offshore campuses. For the autonomous colleges, constituent colleges, and the affiliated colleges, affiliated to university, recognized by the UGC as an affiliating university, provided the colleges are affiliated to a university recognized by UGC for the purpose of the affiliation, constituent colleges of a private deemed to be university are considered as the constituent units of the university and thus will not be considered for accreditation independently. Such constituent colleges need to come along with the university. Provided the colleges, institution not affiliated to a university are offering programs organized by the statutory professional regulatory council and have been recognized by association of the Indian University or other such government agency concerned as the equivalent to a degree program of a university. Accredited higher education applying for the reassessment or the subsequent cycle 2, cycle 3, cycle 4 of the accreditation. Institution which would like to make an improvement in the accredited status may apply for the reassessment after a minimum of the 1 year and before the 3 year of the accreditation, subject to the fulfillment of the other conditions specified by the NEC from time to time for the purpose. Institution opting for the subsequent cycle 2, cycle 3, cycle 4 of the accreditation can submit the institutional information for the quality assessment. Beginning of the last quarter of the validity period subject to the fulfillment of the other condition specified by the NEC from time to time for the purpose. Any other HA higher education at the discretion of the NEC. The NEC accreditation does not cover distance education units, higher education, and offshore campuses. All the institutions intending to apply for the assessment and accreditation by the NEC need to mandatorily upload the information on the all survey of the higher education portal. SA code reference is one of the requirements for the registration. This is the eligibility criteria for the NEC. Mainly the eligibility criteria they have a record of the at least 2 batches of the student graduated or been existence of the 6th year, which is applicable, which is earlier, are eligible to apply for the process of the assessment and accreditation of the NEC. This is the eligibility criteria for the NEC.